How to change font on Gboard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font on Gboard easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the settings, simply tap on the search bar and type Gboard and search for it. And once you have found it in a result, simply tap on it. Now, once you are inside the Gboard settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Preferences. And once you are inside the Preferences, here you can see the option labeled Font. So simply tap on that. And after tapping on Font, the two options will appear on the pop-up menu: Gboard Default and System Default. So simply change it to System Default. And with this, that's how you can change a font on Gboard. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.